Hi, welcome to Sruthi Lakshmi's virtual classroom. Today we're going to see multiplication by 6 using your fingers. So we all know that 6 is 5 plus 1. And we all also know to count by 5s and add 1s. That's what we're going to do in this method. So let's see an example. 6 times 3. So hold out 3 fingers and count by 5s. So the first finger is 5, 10 and 15. Next, we have to count from 15 one by one till we reach this finger again. So 16, 17 and 18. So 6 times 3 is 18. See how easy this method is? Now you don't have to memorize the 6 tables. Let's see another example. Let's try 6 times 4. So hold out 4 fingers and count 5, 10, 15 and 20. Next we count one by one from 20 till this 4th finger. So 21, 22, 23 and 24. So 6 times 4 is 24. Let's see another example. 6 times 7. So hold out 7 fingers and count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. Next count one by one from 35 till this 7th finger. So 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41 and 42. So 6 times 7 is 42. See how easy this method is? Thanks for watching.